students, welcome back to my digital online classes. Now I am present here with a new subtopic of chapter number 3 of environmental study. You know that third chapter is going on. So through this video, one more time, we will discuss about some subtopics of chapter number 3, the food I eat. Okay, chapter number 3. What is the title of this chapter? The food I eat. The food I eat. This is the fifth part. This is the fifth part of this chapter. Okay, before this video, we have discussed so many things in previous fourth video of this chapter. So, through this video, we will discuss about balanced diet. What? About balanced diet. What is the name of subtopic? Balanced diet. BALANCED. Balanced diet. Through this video, we will discuss about this balanced diet. Do you know what is balanced diet? Okay, I will explain about these things. In Hindi, the Hindi meaning of this balanced diet is संतुलित आहार. संतुलित आहार. What is the Hindi meaning of this balanced diet? संतुलित आहार. आहार means भोजन. आहार means भोजन. अब जो हम लोग भोजन लेते हैं, एक दिन में जो भी हम लोग भोजन करते हैं, हम लोगों का भोजन संतुलित होना चाहिए, बैलेंस होना चाहिए उस भोजन में. कुछ चीजें ज्यादा नहीं, कुछ चीजें कम नहीं होनी चाहिए, सभी चीजें बराबर होना चाहिए. तो let us start about this subtopic. Okay, it means what is balanced diet? My question is, what is balanced? What is balanced diet? Balanced diet है क्या? Already I explained in fourth video of this chapter about different kinds of food. Yes or no? How many different types of foods? There are 3 different kinds or types of food which we eat in a day. What? First is energy giving food, second is bodybuilding food, and third is what? Third is protective food. So when balanced diet, it means in a simple meaning is when all three kinds of food, when all these 3 kinds of food include in our diet, is called balanced diet. It's called balanced diet. It means अगर हम लोग भोजन करते हैं तो हमारे भोजन में तीनों प्रकार का भोजन शामिल हो. एनर्जी गिविंग फूड भी हो, some food items of energy giving food, some food items of bodybuilding food, and some food items of protective food. It means when we have our meals, These all three kinds of food item should be in our diet. Look at here. Energy giving food, energy giving food. Okay, plus bodybuilding food, bodybuilding food plus protective food, protective, protective food, energy giving food plus bodybuilding food plus protective foods equal to balanced diet, equal to balanced diet. Okay, equal to balanced diet. It means if in our diet these all three kinds of food include, that means our diet is a balanced diet. Okay, so first we will write a definition. First we will write a definition of this balanced diet. Okay. Balanced diet. A diet in which all three all three kinds of food items, a diet in which all three kinds of food items present is called a balanced diet. A diet in which all three kinds of food items present in our diet is called a balanced diet. A diet in which all three kinds of food items present is called a balanced diet. Three kind of food means what? All three kind of food means what? Three kind of foods means energy giving food. Energy giving food should be, bodybuilding food should be, and protective food should be. Together, these all three types of food should be present together in our diet is called balanced diet. Okay, it means अगर हम लोग भोजन लेते हैं, already we know that different types of food item give us different nutrient हम लोग को मिलता है. Nutrient, actually nutrient in Hindi word is पोषक तत्व, but this word for higher class, so in your level, in your standard, we will understand about the kinds of food. We will understand about the balanced diet through these three kinds of food. अगर हम भोजन लेते हैं तो अब हम जब भी भोजन करते हैं तो क्या चाहते हैं कि already I write out in previous video, rice, wheat, sugar, honey, butter, ghee, potato, these all food items give us energy. So this is called the energy giving food. Now, pulses, soya bean, fish, paneer, meat, egg. These all food items give us protein. Protein means these all food items help us to build our bones and muscles, and it also help us to heal when we get injured. जब हम घायल होते हैं तो. And one more things, some food items like all types of green vegetables and food, all green vegetables and fruits protect us from falling sick and heal our body part when we get injured. It means जब ये तीनों तरह का फूड हमारे भोजन में शामिल हो, जब हम लोग फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब हम लोग दोपहर में लंच करते हैं तो वी ईट राइस और वी ईट राइस एंड चपाती. तो राइस और चपाती से हम लोग को क्या मिलता है? एनर्जी मिलता है. राइस एंड चपाती क्या है? एनर्जी गिविंग फूड है. ओके. पोटैटो का सब्जी लेते हैं तो पोटैटो ऑल्सो एनर्जी गिविंग फूड. पल्सेस, दाल खाते हैं तो दाल इज बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड. दाल इज बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड ना. अगर किसी भी तरह का पल्सेस खाते हैं, अगर हम लोग ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, सैलेड वगैरह लेते हैं तो दैट ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोटेक्टिव फूड. इट मीन्स सभी कुछ जब हम अपने भोजन में शामिल करते हैं, when all these kind of food include in our diet, that is called the balanced diet. That is called the balanced diet. If anyone is missing from our diet, that is not balanced diet. हम लोग के अपने शरीर को हेल्दी रखने के लिए, हमें अपने शरीर को हेल्दी बनाने के लिए ये तीनों जरूरी है. And we need energy giving food, we need body building food, we need protective food together, not one by one. We all need these three kind of food together in our diet. Okay, so this is balanced diet. Okay, so after balanced diet, now we will discuss about some other things. It means we know that importance of food is, but we know that food is our basic needs, basic necessities. So this is our responsibility. This is the responsibility of every person, that we should not waste our food. We should not waste our food. हमें अपना कभी भी भोजन जो है वो बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहिए, है ना. We should not waste our food because why? So because many people do not get to eat properly. बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्हें उन्हें पूरा भोजन नहीं मिल पाता. बहुत से ऐसे लोग हैं जो अच्छे से भोजन नहीं करते हैं. So food is our basic need. We should not waste our food. And one more thing, we should take our food at first time as per our requirement. It means हमें जो है शुरू में जब हम खाना लेते हैं तो हमें उतना ही लेना चाहिए, अपने प्लेट में, अपनी थाली में उतना ही लेना चाहिए जितना हमको जरूरत है. क्योंकि अगर हम जरूरत से ज्यादा भोजन ले लेंगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? बर्बाद हो जाएगा. इसलिए we should not waste our food. Now after this we will do objective question. We will do exercise. I am going to ask some question. This is an objective question, and if you have seen carefully my video of this chapter, that then you are able to give the answer to my question. My first question is, a person or those people who do not eat meat, chicken, fish, they are called vegetarian or non-vegetarian? What is the answer? Those people who do not eat egg, meat, fish, chicken, they are known as, या they are called vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Vegetarian. What is the answer? First answer is vegetarian. Okay, vegetarian. Now, second question. Second question is, which type of food item help us to heal when we get injured? किस टाइप का किस टाइप का फूड आइटम्स, किस टाइप का फूड आइटम जो है हम लोगों के जख्म को भरने में, हमारा जो जख्म हो जाए, अगर हम लोग इंजर्ड हो जाए, घायल हो जाए, तो उससे जल्दी ठीक करने में किस टाइप का फूड जो है हमारी हेल्प करता है? व्हाट इज आंसर? प्रोटेक्टिव फूड और बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड? टेल मी आंसर. Which type of food item help us to heal when we get injured? जब हम लोग घायल हो जाए तो हमारे जख्म को भरने में कौन हेल्प करता है? प्रोटेक्टिव फूड, एनर्जी गिविंग फूड और बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड? टेल मी आंसर. प्रोटेक्टिव फूड. व्हाट इज आंसर? प्रोटेक्टिव फूड. प्रोटेक्टिव food. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is soybean, paneer, pulses. These all are an example of which type of food? Which kind of food? Energy giving food, body building food or protective food? But tell me answer. Which type of food items, which kind of food help us to what? Which type of food item? Okay, question is another question. I am asking you another question. I am asking that paneer, soybean, pulses, these all are example of which kind of food? Body building food, energy giving food or protective food? Tell me answer. Body building food. So what is answer? Body building food. Okay, body building food. So this is the objective type question, students. Okay, and we should eat balanced diet or we should not eat balanced diet? What is the answer? We should eat balanced diet or we should not eat balanced diet? We should eat balanced diet. So we should eat balanced diet. Okay, so this is the answer. Balanced diet keep our body healthy. So balanced diet is necessary for all of us. So students, through this video we have discussed about balanced diet and we have discussed about some objective questions. And student, this chapter is also completed. You will write the question answer which I have given. You will write the question answer and objective type question you will do in textbook. Thank you.